little bitty snot-nosed children sing, I yodel, and yodeling is an art!
Well, maybe they just didn't like your yodeling. He didn't mean it, Uncle Slim. Everybody likes yodeling. Why, it's one of the funniest, cornball, goofy, silly sounds in the whole West.
Gil?
Uh-huh?
Am I correct in assuming that each and every time we brought a herd back to this secret lair, you've managed to sit in the exact same spot, blocking that choice piece of property from my view?
This is my comfy place. What? It's called Patch of Heaven, Uncle Slim. Goes on auction Thursday morning.
Perfect. Pencil it in. Thursday morning, right after we sell off this herd.
But it's just a little old dirt farm.
Ah, what's the difference when you're talking revenge? Every last acre counts.
I don't get it. Weren't the cows supposed to come back? Daddy, what's going to happen if they don't come back?
Oh, but they are coming back.
Hogwash! We all know they're never coming back.
You don't know that, Jeb.
Everybody knows that bovines are the most intelligent, crafty animals in the West.
He's right, you know.
It doesn't take a cow to figure out they saw the writing on the wall and flown the coop while the getting was good.
What?
Oh, no! They tricked us and deserted us!
No, Audrey. Excuse me! Excuse me! Oh, let's not forget who we're talking about. Audrey, remember when Grace helped you figure out why you crossed the road? And Jeb, Ms. Calloway knew just what to do when your head got stuck in that spittoon.
Get off my case!
And Maggie was gonna make us all winners. I truly believe there ain't nothing those 3 cows can't do.
Well, whatever they're gonna do, they better do it soon.
I'm so very sorry, Pearl. It's a real shame. It is.